My name is Jarvis. I am the butler. When I'm not ironing Tony Stark's shirts on the film set, I sometimes do some narrating for open source photography. Ironing. Get it? Well, Mark doesn't pay much. In fact, he doesn't pay at all. Although, on the film set they don't either. It's a hard life being a butler. Ooh well, let's get on with it. This is an open source photography's tutorial about using textures in Gimp. First, start Gimp. Then open the target photo. Also, open a texture. Then, make sure the Move tool is selected. Click on the texture photo, hold, drag to the target picture on the left. Then, still holding, drag the texture down to the target photo on screen. Let mouse button go. Gimp will add the new texture photo as a layer on top of the target photo. You can see that in the right column. Then, on the right side, in the Layers tab, Mode, click on the arrow next to Normal. In the drop-down list, change it to Overlay. On screen, both photos are now mixed together. Change the layer's position by clicking on it and moving its position. Make sure the texture layer is selected in the Layers tab on the right. In the Layers tab, you can also change the opacity of the texture layer. Change it to taste. The size of the texture layer can also be changed by right-clicking on the layer. Next, choose Layer, then, Scale Layer. Fill in the value you need. If needed, you can add the same texture layer more than once following the same procedure as first. Click Texture Photo, move left to Target Photo, then drag to Photo on screen, and Release button. The same texture will be added as a second layer. Change layer mode to Overlay. Select the new layer and change its position by dragging it. Also, change opacity in the Layers tab. If you want to add more texture layers, just follow the same procedure over again. Deactivate or activate layers with the eye icon in the Layer tab. This can be useful for better visual control over a layer when changing its position. Also, play with layer modes to find the best results. The modes I can recommend are Lighten, Darken, Dodge and Burn. Overlay, Hard Light and Grain Merge. If you use more than one layer, best is not to combine many modes. Best is to choose one other mode, and stick to overlay for the rest. If you want to save your project for a later time, or want to keep the steps as you progressed, click Save As, and save it as an XCF project file. If the project is ready, click Export As, and save as a JPEG. Have fun.